Yo, what's up? It's your boy King IB here, and today we are playing Subway Surfers. Yeah. So, trying to find it. Let's do this. I'm quite good at this game. I was playing with King Chris Online Gaming, and I actually reached 2,000. I mean 2 million. That was incredible. Too incredible. I'm actually the king of this game. Once a long time ago, I reached 10. No, wait. Yeah, I reached 10 million. That was amazing. That was like a record. I was meant to record with King Chris Online Gaming, but then it was corrupted by a lot of things. You could have seen it on his channel, but it wasn't uploaded with volume, so then yeah. So you can also subscribe to COD, which is basically King Chris Online Gaming and CBN Gamings or whatever. Not their link, but their names will be in the description. If we hit 10 likes, I'll probably do one with King Chris Online Gaming. So yeah. Oh yeah. So like, subscribe, and peace.